One question I get asked is like, do you have to prepare standing up? And my belief is, if you're going to be giving your presentation standing up, why would we prepare sitting down? Like this is, you know, we want to replicate the situation as best as we possibly can. So if you have access to a stage, if you have access to the stage, I would recommend preparing on that stage. And we basically just take notches down until we're in the best situation you have available. So if I'm going to be on stage in front of a stadium of people, tens of thousands of people, then ideally I get access to the stadium. Now, as you can imagine, that is probably not gonna happen. So maybe I'll try to get just a stage. And then we'll keep working down. Maybe it's like a very small stage. And honestly, I think for most people, bringing out a camera, recording themselves and saying, I'm going to post this footage. Whether it's like sped up, slowed down, there's a voiceover over the whole thing, whatever it is, I think this makes a huge difference because we can try to replicate the situation that you're going to be in. Because otherwise, you're just gonna be sitting at your desk and going, okay, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'll say next. And it's so cognitive that when you actually try to say it, you realize nobody talks like that. And the words aren't in your mouth yet. So we have to practice like this. All right, let's get going. So just a little time check here. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes. I've gotten through about probably 10 to 15 minutes of my content, which is fine. That's like a very normal pace for all of this to go. And I'm not done with that section yet. I'll return to it tomorrow and the next day and the next day, and I'll keep working it.